Welcome to Asking Questions Cheat Sheet, Part 4. Practice these questions and make your English sound more natural. How long does it take to get there? What's the best way to get there? Is it easy to get around without a car? Do I need to book in advance? Is this area safe at night? Which pump should I use? Do I pay before or after filling up? Can I get a receipt, please? Is there an air pump here? Where can I check my tire pressure? Can you check what's wrong with it? How long will the service take? Do I need to leave the car here? Can you call me before doing any extra work? When can I pick it up? Who should I speak to about this? What time does school finish today? Do I need to sign this form? Can I pick my child up early today? Is there anything I need to bring? Is it going to rain today? Do I need to bring a jacket? How hot is it going to get? Is it windy outside? What's the weather like tomorrow? What time does it start? What time does it finish? How long does it usually take? Are we running late? Do we still have enough time? What's in this? Is this vegetarian? Does this have nuts in it? Is this gluten-free? Can I get this without onion? What drinks do you have? Do you have anything without caffeine? Can I get this with less ice? Is this sweet? Can I get a bottle of water? Do you deliver to this area? How much is delivery? How long will delivery take? Can you leave it at the door? Can I track the order? Has my order been shipped? Can I change the delivery address? Can I cancel my order? When will it arrive? Who should I contact about this? Can I get a refund? Can I exchange this? Do I need the receipt? How long does the refund take? Can the refund go back to my card? Why is the bill higher this month? Can you explain this charge? When is the payment due? Can I pay this online? Is there a late fee? Great job! Repeat this lesson a few times and let the questions become automatic. See you in part 5.